Dear students, in this video we shall discuss about the meaning and definition of brand loyalty, the different types of loyalty, and what are the strategies the company is adopting to keep intact of their loyal customers. In this slide you can see how people love brands like Apple and Coke and what motivated them to inscribe the brands on their skull. Let us find out the answer in the following slides. $1 million question that all marketing gurus and executives would like to find out is why people buy a brand or service repeatedly or regularly. Why these consumers are not attracted by the competitors' brands. This is one of the important questions in the area of brand management. Now you can see a group of brands which are rated as the most popular in India. You just ask a question, why people keep on continuing buying Maggi noodles? Or when it comes to the question of domestic or consumer electronics, why people like to buy a Samsung brand, and why the consumers always buy Amul cheese and butter and ice creams, why the girls buy Revlon lipsticks, and why the people who construct a house they go for Asian paints, and why you won't keep on buying Airtel services, and there are a lot of reasons why people always go for Hero Motors. The answer comes in the following slides. The answer I have asked in the previous slide is very simple. We call them as brand loyalty. Let us see some important statistics. Over 55% of the consumers in India say that they will buy from their favorite company even if it is cheaper and more convenient to buy from a rival company. A survey by KPMG revealed that 47% Indian consumers remain loyal to a favorite brand even after a bad experience. You can't believe this, but this is the real statistics. A study in India revealed that when a consumer is loyal to a brand, 93% will recommend, I repeat, they will recommend it to their family and friends. This is what Harsha, partner at head, Consumer Markets and Internet Business KPMG in India, said in a statement. But my question is, whether brand loyalty is a behavior, or is it an attitude, or it is simply sticking to a particular brand? Let us see. To make the concept simpler, I can say the tendency of customers to continue buying the same brand of goods rather than competing brands. The other dimension is, if a customer continues to purchase from a company not because it is the only option but because they trust that company's product. Brand loyalty occurs when a customer chooses repeatedly to buy the same product. Brand experts say that it is the positive association consumers attach to a particular product demonstrated by the repeat purchases of it. One expert says that it is a behavioral willingness to consistently maintain relations with a particular brand. Now let us discuss about the types of brand loyalty. There are two types of brand loyalty. One is behavioral loyalty, the other one is attitudinal loyalty. Behavioral is, as I told you earlier, what the customer does. Attitudinal loyalty is how the customer feels about the brand. Let us have a detailed explanation in the slides. Let us see what is attitudinal loyalty. It is a state of mind. Attitudinal loyalty happens when a customer chooses to be loyal because of a positive brand preference, or it fulfills some of his expectations or needs. It is a deeply held commitment to repurchase a preferred product in future, and he will recommend. And in the case of attitudinal loyalty, the customers will be ready to pay a premium price to buy the same product. A customer's identification with a particular product or service over alternatives is called as attitudinal loyalty. Now let us see what is the meaning of behavioral loyalty. Behavioral loyalty is when a customer habituated to continuously buy a particular product or service or brand. It is an ongoing propensity to buy a particular brand. Repurchase is the main measure and not internally held attitude. This is the main difference. In attitudinal, it is a state of mind, but in behavioral, it is the consistent preference over a particular brand. You may not be giving any reason and you may not even like the brand, but you are habituated to buy a particular brand for a longer time. There is a difference between behavioral loyalty and attitudinal. To conclude, let me say the ways to build strong brand loyalty is as follows. Provide a quality product from the perception of the consumers, and it should be consistent over a period of time. The consumer should feel that they are getting value for money, and you have to keep on update your product with the help of innovation, and customer service is another aspect that will help brand loyalty. How to build strong brands is my topic of discussion in my next module. Till then, happy learning.